In root cause analysis, another essential tool used for identifying the underlying causes of problems is the Fishbone diagram, also called the cause and effect diagram or Ishikawa diagram. Let's deep dive into this tool to understand what it is, how it's used, and its application across different industries. The Fishbone diagram is a visual tool that categorizes potential causes of a problem in a structured format. Shaped like a fish's skeleton, this diagram allows teams to brainstorm and organize various causes into categories to determine the root cause of a specific problem. The diagram is particularly useful in complex situations where multiple factors could be contributing to an issue. The major categories used are typically people, methods, machines, materials, measurements, and environment. Each bone of the fish represents one of these categories, and potential causes are listed under each category. Fishbone basically helps in the following. 1. Identify the problem. Start by clearly defining the problem or effect you are trying to analyze. This is usually written at the head of the fish diagram. 2. Identify main categories. Next, identify the main categories of potential causes, such as people, methods, machines, materials, measurements, and environment. These are drawn as the bones coming off the main line. 3. Brainstorm causes. For each category, brainstorm potential causes of the problem. These causes are listed as smaller branches off each main bone. 4. Analyze and identify the root cause. Once the diagram is filled with potential causes, analyze the information to identify which of these causes are most likely to contribute to the problem. This step often involves deeper investigation or data analysis. And finally, 5. Take action. After identifying the root cause or causes, develop a plan to address the specific issues to prevent the problem from recurring. In healthcare, the Fishbone diagram can be used to improve patient safety, reduce medication errors, or investigate causes of patient readmissions. Let's consider an example. Suppose there's an increase in post-surgical infections. First, we look at the people involved. One potential cause could be improper hand hygiene by staff. Next, we examine the methods. Perhaps there are inconsistent sterilization techniques being used. Then we consider the machines. Faulty sterilization equipment might be contributing to the problem. We also need to think about the materials. The use of non-sterile surgical tools could be a factor. Measurements are important too. Inaccurate infection control audits might be leading to overlooked issues. Lastly, the environment plays a role. Poor air quality in the operating room could be a contributing factor. By listing out potential causes, healthcare professionals can identify that the main issue might stem from inconsistent sterilization techniques and faulty equipment, allowing for targeted interventions. Now let's see in manufacturing. In the manufacturing industry, the Fishbone diagram is often used to troubleshoot production issues or reduce defects in the production process. Example: problem defective parts being produced in an assembly line. People: lack of employee training, methods, inaccurate assembly processes, machines outdated or poorly maintained equipment, materials, low-quality raw materials, measurements, ineffective quality checks, environment, poor working conditions affecting productivity. By mapping out potential causes, the root cause could be identified as poorly maintained equipment leading to defective parts. The last sector for implementation is service sector. Let's see how this helps here. In the service sector, the Fishbone diagram is used to enhance customer experience, reduce service delays, or address process inefficiencies. Example: problem, long wait times for customer service. People, inadequate staff training. Methods, inefficient service processes. Machines, slow computer systems. Materials, inaccurate information provided to customers. Measurements, no proper monitoring of customer wait times. Environment, distracting and noisy customer service environment. Through this analysis, it could be discovered that slow computer systems and inefficient processes are the root causes, allowing the service provider to make improvements. A Fishbone helps in many ways, but let's discuss the most critical manner in which it can help: clarity. It provides a visual structure, making it easier to see the relationships between the problem and its potential causes. Team collaboration. The diagram encourages team brainstorming and discussion, ensuring all potential causes are considered. Comprehensive analysis. By breaking down the problem into categories, it ensures a holistic approach to problem solving. The Fishbone diagram is a versatile and effective tool whether you're dealing with complex healthcare challenges, production inefficiencies, or customer service issues. It helps teams work systematically to identify root causes and ultimately implement solutions to prevent future problems. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share the channel with your friends. Thank you.